Greetings, dear friends, and welcome once more to this channel. This is 𝐒𝐮𝐩𝐩𝐸 from Afro Company. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you on how to install the GNU GCC compiler in Windows for C and C++ programming. Before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. We are going to start by searching min GW. So what interests us here is the min-GW minimalize GNU for Windows download. I'm going to click on that. So now we are on the source forge website where we can download our min-GW. We are going to click on download. So the download process will certainly take some time. So we'll click download. The setup has been downloaded, so we'll move to the location where we downloaded it to. So we'll double click on the setup and install. We are going to allow the default installation directory as you are seeing here. Then we click on continue. Then the installation manager will take some time to download and set up all necessary files. We are done with the basic setup. The next thing is to go back to installation and then click on apply changes and apply. So it's going to take some time to download all the necessary packages. So all changes were applied successfully. So we can now close this on close it. So we are going to move to the C local disk drive and we'll move to the folder of directory min GW. Click on it, move to in, then here we double click here select this part and I copy. So the next thing I have to look for environmental. So I'm going to look for the system environmental variable. So I double click on that and I select environment variables. At the level of environment variable under system variables, I'm going to look for the path, which is this. I'm going to select the path and click on edit path. So here, what you have to do, just to click on new and then this. Then click on OK. So if this is how you install the GNU GCC, a compiler for C and C++ programming in Windows. Thank you for watching this video.